Hi, welcome to Tustin, California. I'm in my home office here, and there's Rob. He's already in our Datavideo office in Whittier.
So what I have in Whittier here at our office is I have two PTZ cameras. I have a lav mic going into one of the PTZ cameras, and then BB-1 going to a switch, and then through the internet modem out to the cloud.
And I really could be anywhere. I don't have to be 25 miles away. I could be 2,500 miles away. Any modem or internet connection would work.
And that's the important part of this whole remote production, is having a secure connection to be able to see my cameras, control my switcher, and they can do remote corporate events. I can see it for conferencing, lots and lots of different applications for this remote production workflow.
There you have it. Datavideo now has a remote production solution only from Datavideo.